Intelligence is a complex trait, and its manifestation can vary across different individuals. While there is ongoing debate about how to define and measure intelligence, some signs are generally considered indicative of intellectual prowess. Here are 9 genuine signs of intelligence that are challenging to fake. Curiosity. Intelligent individuals tend to be naturally curious and have a thirst for knowledge. They ask questions, seek understanding, and are open to new ideas. This trait reflects a genuine interest in the world around them. Critical thinking. Intelligent people are often skilled at critical thinking, which involves analyzing information, evaluating arguments, and making well-reasoned decisions. This ability goes beyond memorizing facts and involves a deeper understanding and application of knowledge. Adaptability. Intelligent individuals can adapt to new situations and learn from experiences. They demonstrate flexibility in their thinking and are open to adjusting their perspectives based on new information. Self-awareness. Intelligent people tend to have a good understanding of their own strengths and weaknesses. They are aware of their limitations and are willing to seek feedback and self-improvement. Emotional intelligence. Intelligence goes beyond cognitive abilities and includes emotional intelligence. People with high emotional intelligence can understand and manage their own emotions and empathize with the emotions of others, contributing to effective communication and interpersonal relationships. Problem-solving skills. Intelligent individuals excel at solving problems by approaching them systematically. They can break down complex issues into manageable components, analyze them, and develop effective solutions. Effective communication. The ability to convey complex ideas in a clear and concise manner is a sign of intelligence. Intelligent individuals can communicate their thoughts effectively, whether in writing or verbally, making complex concepts more understandable to others. Open-mindedness. Intelligent people tend to be open-minded and receptive to diverse perspectives. They are willing to consider different viewpoints, entertain new ideas, and adjust their opinions based on evidence and logical reasoning. Intrinsic motivation. Intelligent individuals often have a strong internal drive to learn and achieve, independent of external rewards. They pursue knowledge and challenges for the sake of personal growth and fulfillment. It's important to note that intelligence is a multifaceted trait, and these signs are not exhaustive or definitive. Additionally, everyone has unique strengths and qualities, and intelligence should be considered within a broader context that encompasses various forms of intelligence and skills.